boy Aocon in the building.
I love when people tell me that I can't do something.
You got
Because
another
that just
banger
makes me
for
want to
you,
do it even more.
boy. Check me out. Check me out. You did. What you gonna get with the program and keep it pushing? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
It's only real if you feel a nigga. He don't need bigs. Been packing since baby me, and she gonna give. That's if I wanna pursue the issue, and she don't do bigs. And I can fund to do tissue just cause she run with him. Just keep it pushing, get plenty pussy if she wanna give. But can't no bitch just come claim a nigga, say he not shit. No, he hot shit. Can get you right with the business at night. Smack on your pimple, come back and D-box shit. Not with that Reebok shit, not with that woo. I'm in the hood trying to get it, bitch, and troop with the shoes. So my mentality different, I don't goof with the blues. And not a lame on any level, don't goof with the blues. So are you fucking the front, or you gon' suck on the dummy? Cause I ain't never been country, it's just that way the east spin. Are you fucking the front, or you gon' suck on the dummy? Cause I ain't never been country, it's just that when the east spin. So is it dropping or not? Sparkling cause we gon' kick it. Real one with the real, not about to be on a mission. For the night or forever, I can be that ticket. Ain't the devilish lady, then you can be that bitch. I ain't never been married before, but I locked in. I used to pimp them before, baby, I'm not here. Don't do the breakfast and toast, and that's not my kid. But the potatoes and roast, if you want one of that in. I can reach you on any level, feel I'm hot shit. You just jump on the bezel, then I drop your tip. Split the P or the hell of the shit, cause I got real. Sound country, but city developed when these real. Are you fucking the front, or you suck on the dummy? I ain't never been country, it's just that when these spin. Are you fucking the front, or you gon' suck on the dummy? Cause I ain't never been country, it's just that when these spin.
Yeah.